G'day, mates. These US states cough the most during sleep. This is from 2 million hours of sleep data collected from the Sleep Cycle app, December 2023. These are the states with high levels of coughing. Here we go. Wyoming, New Hampshire, Arkansas, Maine, Delaware, Rhode Island, New Mexico, Nevada, North Dakota, South Dakota, Oklahoma, West Virginia, Alabama, South Carolina, Arizona, North Carolina, and Minnesota. States with elevated levels: Maryland, Hawaii, Florida, Connecticut, Georgia, Missouri, Texas, Nebraska, Indiana, Tennessee, Mississippi, Ohio, Kansas, Pennsylvania, Louisiana, Iowa, New Jersey, Alaska, Wisconsin, California, Kentucky, Utah, Massachusetts, Virginia, Michigan, Illinois, Oregon, Colorado, Idaho, Montana, New York, and the only 2 states with normal level of coughing during sleep. Hope you live in these states: Washington and Vermont. Have a great day. Cheers.